When you create a storage account, you can choose from general purpose V1, and then you also have general purpose V2, then the blob storage. Azure Storage offers three types of storage account, and each type supports different features. And also, it has its own pricing model. Consider these differences before you create a storage account to determine the type of account that is best for your applications. The three storage accounts needs to be discussed one by one. Let's talk about general purpose V2 accounts. The general purpose V2 storage accounts is the latest Azure storage feature, and this incorporates all the functionalities of general purpose V1 and the blob storage account. So the general purpose V2 accounts deliver the lowest per gigabyte capacity prices for Azure storage, as well as provides the industry competitive transaction prices. General purpose V2 storage account supports many services like blobs, files, disk, queues, and tables. Microsoft recommends using general purpose V2 storage accounts for most scenarios. You can easily upgrade a general purpose V1 or a blob storage account to general purpose V2 account with no downtime and without the need to copy any data. So what is general purpose V1 accounts all about? General purpose V1 accounts provides access to all the Azure services but may not have the latest features or the lowest per GB pricing. Legacy account types for blobs, files, queues, and tables is all general purpose V1 accounts is about. So you use general purpose V2 accounts instead when possible. So general purpose V1 was the older method of provisioning a storage account. Finally, the blob storage account. A blob storage account is specialized storage account for storing unstructured object data as block blobs. Block blob accounts provides the same durability, availability, scalability, and performance features that are available with general purpose V2 storage accounts. So blob storage accounts will support block blobs and append blobs, but not page blobs. Just remember this for this time, but moving forward in the subsequent videos, we will talk about what block blobs are, what append and page blob is. But blob storage account offers multiple access tiers for storing data on your usage patterns. So that's about general purpose V2, V1, and blob storage accounts. General purpose V2 is the newest way of provisioning a storage account. V1 is an older legacy type, whereas blob storage account provides just blobs and does not provide tables, queues, and files.